we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I'm Tiffany. I create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. In today's video, I'll be deep cleaning my kids' rooms. I don't normally clean their rooms because my kids are 12 and 14, and in my house, that means you are old enough to clean up behind yourself. But every now and then, I feel like I need to go in and do a deeper clean than what they do. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So I'm just going to start by taking the sheets off of their beds first, and then I'm going to head over to the laundry room and get those sheets in the washing machine so that they can be washing while I'm cleaning. I just want to say thank you to all of my returning and new subscribers. I appreciate you all so much. I've gotten over 225 subscribers, and I want to thank each of you for helping me to get this far. I'm enjoying every minute of it, and I'm so grateful to God for each and every one of you.
Living in a sequence, trying not to see it. Need some bliss in the turbulence. I'm praying on the weekdays.
So now that I've got the sheets going, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my son's bathroom first.
All the shallow friends of mine. I got that champagne dripping from inside my spine. No credit cards to buy my time. You know I never listen. It's not too late for you to let it go to my beat. Rhythm makes me complete. Strip me down to my bare bones. Too long, phasing down the concrete. Moving like we're machines. Strip me down to my bare bones. Haven't had a pause yet. Maxing out my mistakes. All my dreams might be made of gold. Busy on a Sunday, knocked out on the Mondays. All the shallow friends of mine. I got that champagne dripping from inside my spine. No credit cards to buy my time. You know I never listen. It's not too late for you to let it go to my beat. Rhythm makes me complete. Strip me down to my bare bones. Too long, phasing down the concrete. Moving like we're machines. Strip me down to my bare bones.
So the sheets were done washing, and now I'm going to get them in the dryer, and then I'm going to get started washing the comforters.
Raise the concrete, just let it go. Rhythm makes me to my bones, to my blood. It's not too late for you to let it
Okay, so now that I've gotten another load going, I'm going to head over to my daughter's bathroom and start cleaning.
bones. Too long, phasing down the concrete. Moving like we're machines. Strip me down to my bare bones. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love? Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love? Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, remedy, remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? Just a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, yeah. It's a remedy, Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's a remedy, Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's a remedy, yeah. Speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter.
And here I'm just cleaning the walls off. There were some really weird like brown spots or stains on the wall, and I'm using the magic eraser to clean that off.
Favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. You got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Now I'm just going to go through their bathrooms and their rooms and clean off all the baseboards and all of their doors and doorknobs.
Big egos live in this castle. Not sure I'm ever surprised. You got me fooling around and now you're honesty. Don't think you got the concept right. Double moral bitterness is not my type, but still it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, stopping romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama.
So now all of my son's sheets are dry, and I'm going to get the bed made up. And once I get his bed made, I'm going to dust his furniture, and then I will move into my daughter's room to do the same thing.
Blaming me for causing your insanity. I'm pretty sure you're born like this. Talk before you think it's your original touch, but I guess it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, stopping romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You got me paper thin, doing concrete things, turning romance into madness. it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight, it's toxic. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic? Standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction. I need to be honest, it was for the better. Now every day is perfect for a lifelong celebration. Go ahead. Content I'm struggling, reminiscing about our good times, the good days, the good days. But good wasn't the only perspective of all the days that we had. We lost it. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic? Standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction. I need to be honest, it was for the better. Now every day is perfect for a lifelong celebration. Go ahead. For a lifelong celebration.
Baby, I need to know if you are serious, serious about us. Yeah, baby, your love is cold, but I don't feel the trust. Something's not adding up. What you been up to? Drinking all night. Who's that right by your side? Why don't you tell me now? Oh, why you calling me late at night, saying you need a ride when you don't tell me why? I got a thing about you, you got a thing about me too, but you keep playing with my feelings, even though you know I got a thing about you. We got a thing for each other, so don't go wasting what you feeling. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. 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 Sorry is a word to you when you don't show on time, when you go out of line. Yeah, sorry is a word of truth. It isn't always enough. Sometimes you gotta hide what you've been up to. Drinking all night. Who's that right by your side? Why don't you tell me now? Oh, why you calling me late at night, saying you need a ride when don't tell me why. I got a thing about you, you got a thing about me too. But you keep playing with my feelings, even though you know I got a thing about you. We got a thing for each other, so don't go wasting what you feeling. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb.
Okay, family, we've come to the end of this video. I hope that I was able to give you all some motivation to get some cleaning done in your home. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and click that bell so you never miss an upload. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.
You want my forgiveness, so say it again. You're my thunder, my darkest night. You just can't go back.